So ayan guys, babalik tayo guys. So nandito tayo sa water park nila guys. Parang 7 seas lang ito sa Pilipinas guys. So ayan guys. Oh, napakalawak niyan guys. So ito pala yung Sky Flyer nila guys, Zipline ride. $25 single ride. Kung double ride 35 lang guys. Guys. Oh. Yan yung slide nila guys. Para lang siyang 7 seas guys. Oh guys. Maraming tao dito guys. May sad babida guys. Pero dito lang to sa Edmonton Mall guys. Kung sino man ang gustong maligo guys, dito lang ito guys. Ayan guys. So ito yung Swatch guys. Swatch. So dito muna magtatapos yung vlog natin guys. See ya. Don't forget to subscribe and Karaldi guys. And don't forget to click the notification bell na all para updated kayo sa vlog. See ya.